So this is what my finished rum balls look like. 3 different versions, perfect for the Christmas season. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make these chocolate balls without baking. Easy and foolproof. And I promise you, with the professional tricks I learned during my chef training, you'll get the best results. Creamy, aromatic and full of Christmas flavor. We start with 200 grams of soft butter, add vanilla bean paste or vanilla seeds and a small pinch of salt. It may sound simple, but it makes the mixture incredibly smooth later. I beat everything for a few minutes until it's soft. You'll find the exact measurements in the video description below. After a few minutes, I sift in powdered sugar and let the mixer run again until the mixture becomes creamy. This is the foundation for the perfect texture. Now comes the most important step, the chocolate. Here's a trick from my chef training that not many people know. Chop the couverture chocolate finely, but be careful. We melt only 2/3 of it over a hot water bath. Why? Because chocolate burns above 50 degrees and that gives it a bitter taste. The ball must never sit directly in the water, only above the steam. As soon as the chocolate starts melting around the edges, I gently stir from the outside toward the center, no fast or wild movements. This is the correct professional method for melting chocolate, quick and reliable. And very important, never let water get into the chocolate. It won't become smooth, it will turn grainy. Lift the bowl off the pot from time to time to control the heat. When everything has melted completely, add the remaining chocolate. This tempers the mixture, meaning it cools the chocolate down and brings it automatically to the right temperature, around 30 degrees. Now add unsweetened cocoa powder for depth, and here's a small professional trick. A pinch of espresso powder. It intensifies the chocolate flavor without making it taste like coffee. I slowly mix the finished chocolate mixture into the buttercream. Look how creamy it becomes, almost like a chocolate buttercream. Many people use leftover cake crumbs as a base, but if you don't have any, ladyfingers work perfectly. Just put them in a bag and crush them finely. Professional tip, leave a small portion slightly coarse. It gives the balls a light crunch. Normally I add the rum directly to the crumbs, but today I mix it in at the end. Traditionally, a dark Jamaica or Barbados rum is used since it's smooth and well-rounded. This time I'm using strong Stroh rum with 80%. It instantly gives you that Christmas feeling. And keep in mind, alcohol carries aromas. A little often goes a long way. The rum balls taste even better after a day in the fridge because the flavor distributes evenly. For a Christmas version, simply add 1 teaspoon of gingerbread spice or some freshly grated orange zest to the mixture. For a luxury version, fold in 1 tablespoon of chopped raisins or cranberries soaked in rum. It adds a lot of flavor. Cover the finished mixture and refrigerate it for 20 to 30 minutes. The butter will firm up and the balls will be much easier to shape. I weigh each portion at around 20 grams. This way all the balls are the same size, not too small, not too big. Then I roll them briefly in my hands and coat them in cocoa, chocolate sprinkles or shredded coconut. Place the finished rum balls on a plate or in small candy cups. Stored in a cool place, they will keep for up to 2 weeks, though they usually disappear much sooner. Here's what my rum balls look like on the inside. Creamy, smooth, aromatic and perfect for Christmas. Feel free to write in the comments which version would you like to try. Classic with orange zest or with raisins. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be happy if you subscribe so you don't miss any new recipes. And if you're looking for more easy Christmas treats, click on my playlist here.